Guys, and welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. These are the makeup products worth splurging on for a flawless complexion. First is from NARS. This is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is the perfect medium buildable coverage foundation. It's going to give your skin the perfect skin-like finish, last all day, and also gives your skin a nice healthy glow. Next is from Too Faced. This is the Born This Way concealer. It's super creamy and blends beautifully. Amazing coverage that will last you all day. Next is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the most stunning pressed powder I have ever set my hands on. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish, and it does exactly that. This will give you the most beautiful finish to your makeup ever. This is such a secret weapon for a flawless complexion. It completely smooths and erases pores. Next is from Huda Beauty. This is the Luminous pressed powder. If you tend to have more normal to dry skin, or you just like a more glowing within effect to your makeup, this is exactly what you've been looking for. There's no visible glitter or shimmer in this product, but it will give your complexion the most subtle, beautiful glow. I swear this was absolutely game-changing for me. Another one from Huda Beauty is the Loose Baking and Setting Powder. For me, my complexion is never finished until I have properly set my under eyes. I use this to bake my under eyes. It prevents any creasing and it makes my under eyes look so flawless, and it wears so well throughout the day. Next is from Guerlain. This is the Sun-Kissed Healthy Glow Powder. If you want to look like you just spent the afternoon in the sun and have the most healthy sun-kissed glow, I couldn't recommend anything better. This will give you the most perfectly balanced color to your face without having to apply too much makeup. This product combines bronzer, blush, and a shimmer. I am absolutely obsessed with this. Your perfect complexion would only fall short if you did not frame your face properly, which means perfecting your eyebrows. My number one go-to for framing or filling in any sparse areas of my eyebrows is the Kosas Brow Pop Nano. Then to lock it in, we have the Anastasia Brow Freeze Gel. This stuff is unmatched. It will make your eyebrows look laminated and hold them in place all day, all night. Pulling together the entire look calls for the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This is going to meld your makeup together, take away any of that powdery finish that is not serving your flawless complexion, and give a beautiful natural glow. Finally, you can't have a flawless complexion with crusty lips. This is the EADEM Lip Softening Balm in Butter Mochi. This will give you the most hydrated, supple lips of your life, and will also last so much longer than any other lip product that you're using right now. Let me know in the comments which makeup products you guys use for a flawless complexion. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.